Craving something chocolatey, healthy, and ridiculously easy to make? Let me show you how to turn just a few simple ingredients into the most decadent, guilt-free chocolate chia seed pudding you've ever tasted. You won't believe how good this is for you. And no, you don't need any fancy equipment or chef skills for this one. Just a bowl and a whisk and a little patience while the magic happens in your fridge. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for this one. All right, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rich cacao powder. Did you know cacao is packed with antioxidants and magnesium, making it a heart-healthy way to satisfy your chocolate cravings? It is less processed than cocoa powder and is superior in nutrients. If you can't find cacao powder, you can use cocoa as an alternative. Next, we're going to use 10 tablespoons of maple syrup for that perfect natural sweetness. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, because we're fancy like that. A pinch of sea salt. Trust me, it makes the chocolate flavor pop. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra layer of yum. 3 cups of almond milk or soy milk, dairy-free goodness. And finally, the star of the show, a cup of chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber, omega-3s, and protein. Basically, they're your new best friend. Now, let's bring it all together. Start by adding your cacao powder and maple syrup. This natural sweetener contains trace minerals like magnesium and zinc, giving you a sweet treat with a side of immune-boosting benefits. You'll be surprised to know that cinnamon isn't just for flavor. It's loaded with antioxidants and can help regulate blood sugar levels like a superhero spice. Who knew? A pinch of sea salt provides electrolytes to keep you hydrated and your muscles happy, because even pudding needs a little salty sass. Vanilla isn't just delicious, it's rich in antioxidants and may even give your mood a boost, like a warm hug in dessert form. We will add all of this to a large bowl and whisk it all together to combine. It'll look a little clumpy at first, but don't worry, we're about to fix that. Then slowly add your almond milk or soy milk, a little at a time. These dairy-free options are rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein, giving your bones and muscles some plant-based love. Now, whisk until you've got a smooth, chocolatey paste. Think of it as a mini arm workout. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Once your paste is ready, pour in the rest of the milk and whisk some more until it's smooth. Now it's time for the chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and protein, making them the ultimate ingredient for staying full and energized. Add them in and continue whisking. We will now pour this into individual size containers. I like the soup-sized mason jars for this. Cover your containers and pop them into the fridge overnight. If you can't wait that long, place it in the fridge for at least 3 to 5 hours. All right, the wait is over. Look at this. Thick, creamy, and chocolatey perfection. The chia seeds have done their thing, turning this into a pudding-like consistency that's absolutely dreamy. And here's where you can get creative. Top it with fresh fruit, crunchy granola, and fruit. If you want to learn how to make homemade granola, check out my other video. You can also top with coconut cream and some extra chocolate shavings, because why not? And there you have it. Chocolate chia seed pudding that's as good for you as it is delicious. Whether you're having it for breakfast, dessert, or a midday snack, this is the treat you'll keep coming back to. make sure to hit that like button if you're as obsessed with chocolate as I am. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, healthy recipes. Now go make this pudding and treat yourself. You deserve it. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.